Hey everyone, this is Lance inside the Rawlings Lovell Auditorium on the new Persell campus of Athens Bible School. I'm joined today by the Assistant Director of Development, Gail Haywood, and the President of Athens Bible School, Mr. Randy Adams. Thank you for your time, and we're looking forward to the start of Truth Lectures coming up real soon, and want to get them to talk a little bit about what's going on here at ABS and the connection with the event and things to look forward to also in the future here on this new campus. Gail, maybe tell us a little bit about how things have been going here lately.
Well, Lance, we're very excited that we are, we're moving into the campus. Our teachers have made the move and we've received our certificate of occupancy, and so we're just happy to host you here for the event.
Absolutely. And Mr. Adams, I know this has been a long time vision and a lot of work that's gone into it, but now it's becoming very real.
It is real, Lance, and thank you so much for coming and doing this today. We're excited to have the Truth Lectureship on our campus for now a number of years. I don't know how many, probably 7 or 8.
It's close to that, yeah.
So we're thankful that everybody's coming. We're looking forward to it next week, and hope that everybody will be well accommodated and enjoy their time here at Athens Bible School. We're so excited about this new campus and to get finally moved in. We've had a few events on campus already. We've had the high school graduation in the gym, and here in the Rawlings Lovell Auditorium, we've had the baccalaureate ceremony as well as the kindergarten graduation. But we're a lot more ready than we were even a month ago, so we're looking forward to having you on campus. This school has been here for 76 years, and it's been the sweat equity of lots of people over the years, and we're glad to see the fruition of their labors come today, and glad that we can start hosting this, and we're looking forward to another 76 years here
Absolutely.
at the Persell campus of Athens Bible School.
Yeah. We are very appreciative at Truth Publications and CI Bookstore of the hospitality that Athens Bible School and their staff has shown to us. We know that this year is a special case with all the transition, but we're looking forward to being in this beautiful place for the lectures this year. We want to invite you to come out and join us, see the new campus, get familiar with Athens Bible School, and also enjoy the lectures. There's a lot of great material that will be presented June 24th through 27th, starting Monday night, the 24th, at 7 p.m. with a singing, and then there's 8 a.m. to noon lectures on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and evening sessions each of those nights except for Wednesday night. Go to truthlectures.com to see the full schedule, and we invite you to visit athensbibleschool.org to learn more about the school here and what's happening. And remember also that the lectures will be broadcast on Facebook Live, and you can follow the event there if you can't be in town. We look forward to seeing you, and I hope that you'll visit our website, truthbooks.com, as well. Thanks again, guys, for joining us.
Thank you for having us.